That brain fog isn't just getting older. The fatigue, the memory slips, the weakness you've been told are just a normal part of aging could actually be a lie. A recent wave of research confirms a common, simple deficiency can perfectly replicate these symptoms, but the real reason it's so deceptive has been hiding in your cells. By the end of this video, you'll understand the science behind this aging mimic and how to spot the difference. Because what you're feeling might not be your age, but a biological signal you can't afford to ignore. We have a story we tell ourselves about aging. It goes like this. One day, you start forgetting names. You feel a bone-deep tiredness that coffee can't touch. Maybe there's a strange tingling in your hands and feet. We label it a senior moment, chalk it up to the years, and accept it as inevitable. But what if that story is wrong? New analysis from researchers at institutions like the Mayo Clinic is sounding an alarm. They're highlighting a condition that presents an almost identical set of symptoms, a perfect biological forgery of the aging process. It's not a rare disease or a complex genetic disorder. It's a deficiency in a single common vitamin, B12, and it affects an estimated 15% of people over 60, with millions more who are borderline deficient and don't even know it. The truly startling part isn't just the overlap in symptoms, it's the mechanism. This isn't just about feeling a little tired. This is a systemic breakdown that starts in your nerves and blood. So why is this one molecule so powerful it can fake the entire process of getting old? To understand why a lack of B12 is so devastating, you have to understand what it does. This isn't just a helper vitamin. It's a master architect for two of your body's most critical systems. First, your nervous system. Think of your nerves as high-speed data tables. Each one is wrapped in a fatty layer called the myelin sheath. This is the insulation. It ensures electrical signals from your brain travel at over 200 miles per hour, fast, clean, and efficient. Vitamin B12 is an essential cofactor in constantly maintaining and repairing this sheath. When you're deficient, that insulation begins to fray. It's like stripping the plastic off an electrical wire. Signals slow down, they short-circuit, or they don't arrive at all. This is the source of the cognitive fog, the memory loss, and the tingling pins and needles feeling called neuropathy. Your brain's hardware is becoming physically degraded. But here's where it gets worse. B12 is also fundamental for DNA synthesis, the very blueprint for creating new cells. This is most critical for cells that divide rapidly, especially red blood cells. Without enough B12, your bone marrow can't produce them correctly. It creates cells that are too large, misshapen, and ineffective, a condition called megaloblastic anemia. These giant cells can't carry oxygen efficiently. The result isn't just feeling tired. It's cellular-level oxygen starvation. Every part of your body, from your muscles to your brain, is running on fumes. So who is actually at risk for this? You might be surprised. You might think this is only a problem for vegans or vegetarians, since B12 is primarily found in animal products. And while they are a high-risk group, they are far from the only ones. The biggest risk factor is actually age itself. As we get older, our stomachs produce less acid, which is essential for separating B12 from the protein in our food. Your diet could be perfect, but you simply can't absorb the nutrient. Then there are the medications. Incredibly common drugs like metformin, taken by millions for type 2 diabetes, and proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs, used for acid reflux, are known to significantly interfere with B12 absorption. Chronic digestive conditions like Crohn's, celiac disease, or a history of weight loss surgery also put you at high risk. Suddenly, the pool of potential candidates is enormous. So how do you tell the difference between this deficiency and normal aging? Here is the most important takeaway. Many of the neurological and cognitive symptoms of B12 deficiency can be partially or even fully reversed if caught early. True age-related decline is, for now, a one-way street. This is not. A simple blood test ordered by your doctor can measure your B12 levels. If a deficiency is found, treatment isn't a complex pharmaceutical. For many, it's a course of high-dose oral supplements, sublingual tablets that dissolve under the tongue, or for those with absorption issues, a simple injection. This isn't about finding an anti-aging miracle. It's about identifying a solvable problem. It's about understanding your own biology so you can stop attributing every negative symptom to the number on your birth certificate.
So, while we can't stop the clock, we can stop misdiagnosing ourselves. That feeling of decline you might be experiencing isn't necessarily your destiny. It could be a warning light, a signal from your body that a critical system is offline, waiting for the right fuel to reboot. If this look at the tangible science of health and aging resonated with you, subscribe to Decoded Future and hit the bell so you never miss an expedition into the science that's shaping our lives. Next week, we're investigating the revolutionary new batteries that don't use lithium. They're made from salt, and they could change everything about our energy grid. The future, arriving sooner than you think. The future, decoded.